Hey guys, me again, back with another video, and today I'm going to be installing some Molle panels from TesStudio. Thank you TesStudio for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check them out. They are a great company. They have all sorts of accessories for your Cybertruck, and you get 20% off by using my affiliate code, RedKnave20. Link will be in the description below. They've got the Molle panels, they've got wheel hub cap covers, they have seat covers, they have cup holders. Almost everything that I featured on my channel, they probably have it. So be sure to check out the website and the link in the description. But yeah, we're going to be installing these Molle panels. Very simple installation. It looks like you've just got 2, 4, 6, 8 screws to attach some brackets, and then another 3 screws to attach the panel itself on each side. So great deal. You get 2 panels for basically the price of one, since Teslas are $250 each. This is $250 for both of them, and you can save that 20% off by using my affiliate code RedKnave20. I forgot to mention that for a limited time, TesStudio will give you 4 free Cybertruck door handles automatically if you spend over $100. And after applying my code, these Molle panels we brought down to $239. So, without further ado, let's install these panels and show you how easy this is to get done. All right, I'm going to be starting with the left side panel. So I've got that here, got the right side panel ready to go. Essentially, it's just 3 support brackets. They give you a bunch of screws, nuts, everything you need to do this. There's an Allen wrench with a T25 they give you. I'll be using my little Hoto screwdriver since that's a little bit faster. But yeah, let me just get started, and this should be very simple to do in no time. You got a small, medium, and a large. Line that up, and then screw it on. Ow, these olives or whatever is above me just keep dropping onto me. But I will see if I can fast forward through this since it's just me screwing things together. So see you in a bit. All right, we're all screwed together. Just wanted to show for this part, I finger tightened this so that we can more easily slide it into the L track. Did that on all of them. Hi again, me from the future. I actually found an easier way to do this later. So basically you'll want to not put these inside of the bracket first. Take these little L track pieces, finger tighten them into your L track, and kind of just spread them out. One at the end, one in the middle, one at the beginning. And then you'll line up each bracket with the L track, and it's just a bit easier than trying to finesse all 3 of these into your L track at the same time. So just follow what I'm about to show you right now. Okay, I think I found the easiest way to figure out where these go. You put the little fixing brackets into the L track, and if you hold it up like this, you can see where it should go. You don't want it in the circle of the L track, you want it in between 2 of the circles. And then once you've lined them up, raise that into place, and then screw them in. That's 1, and where to put my screws? 2, and 3. Perfect. That ain't going anywhere. That looks great, especially with the slip low behind it. So that's 1 down. I'm just going to mirror the exact same thing on the right side and finish this off. So I'll show you what the finished install looks like in just a sec. There's the finished look. Super easy install. If you did this sort of pre-set up in your home, I bet you could get both of these done in 15 minutes or less, because it's just less than like 20 screws total. It's very nice that it does not interfere with your L track. It only takes up 3 holes. But yeah, let me show you what I've got in mind for what to put on these things. There's all sorts of Molle panel accessories and attachments, so you can use them for a variety of scenarios. But I think I have a fun idea planned, so let me pop over to that and see what I came up with. See you in a sec. All right, it is about 6 p.m. and in about an hour and a half it's going to be completely dark and I'm going to be going to the movie theater. So they're going to the drive-in and we're going to be watching movies from the back of the Cybertruck. So here's a simple little configuration I came up with for movie watching. I've got my candy ready to go. I've got my drink holders, more bags of snacks, and of course my partner is ready to go to the movies. I'm actually not taking this to the movies, don't worry about me. But yeah, let me show you a little close-up of what these Molle panels can do and how they hold things on. All right, I've got these hooks from T-Wraps. These are 3D printed, so they simply just slide into place. They're well designed, well built. I like how they have a little Cybertruck logo in there. But those will hold quite a bit of weight despite being 3D printed. So I've got my Bluetooth speaker hanging on one of these, ready to go for the drive-in theater. Got this is a quick detach. It's a Velcro, but the main base of it is snapped into place onto the panel. But medical kit, I'd rather have one and not need it than need it and not have it, but this is a great Molle panel medical kit. Comes with a vast array of things you may or may not need for a medical emergency. Again, I'll leave links for all these in the description below. On the right side here, I've got a more heavy-duty, kind of whatever you want sort of bag. I put my screwdriver, wrenches, anything I might need to adjust a screw on the Cybertruck. That lives in this baggie here. And that's got a bunch of very heavy-duty. This thing isn't coming off anytime soon, but very heavy-duty multi-purpose storage bag. Got a nice ratchet for strapping down things, ratcheting strap. And you're able to, well, anything that has a hook, just hook it in these little holes of your Molle panel. You can hang it from there. Some work gloves. Anytime I'm moving something heavy or sharp, potentially might hurt my hands. These are ready to go and within arm's reach. And I've just got them around these little elastic Molle panel loops. Of course, I've got these lights strewn about. If I wanted these to be a little more, I don't know, semi-permanent, you can get, of course, what are they called? Zip ties. You can get a zip tie and, you know, zip tie things to the Molle panels as well. Again, the hooks are great. Got my snacks ready to go for the movie. And again, those came in a pair for the bottle holders. But yeah, this is just one of practically unlimited ways you can use these panels. Basically, you can hook anything to them and they're not going anywhere. These are going to be totally fine. Hey, it's me again from the future. What I was horribly trying to explain in this clip was, as long as whatever you're attaching to your Molle panel resides below the highest point, it's going to be fine and not interfere with your tonneau cover closing above it. But yeah, this is the footage during what left we have of sunlight. So let me get some footage when we're actually at the drive-in theater and show you what this looks like lit up. That might be a little more fun too. See you in a bit. Alrighty, we're at the drive-in movie theater. Got a soda. First time using this. Nice. My $100,000 bottle opener. And there we go. Got drinks, lights, candy. This is great.